Hi, today I'm going to show you how to check the status of your ink cartridges in an Epson XP-6105. Now this can be done directly from the printer itself and doesn't need an attached PC or laptop. So at the start here, you're going to want to be on the home screen of your printer. If you're not already on this screen, just press this home button on the left hand side, and from most places in the printer it will just take you back to the home screen. So we're going to use the arrows and move ourselves along until we get to settings. You've got maintenance here, which is good for other bits which we have videos on our channel, but for this particular one, settings. So we press OK to go in, and supply status is the very first option. So we go in there, and we can see the estimated ink levels of all of the different cartridges in your printer: cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and photo black, and you've even got the remaining capacity of the maintenance box, which is something that not all Epson printers have, and it rarely needs changing. But that's pretty much all there is to see, to be honest. You can do a printed version of this from there, if for some reason you needed evidence of how much ink you had remaining, or most commonly you've got replace ink cartridges there, which takes you through the whole process of changing the ink cartridges within your machine. If you're interested in that specifically, we've got a video for that on our channel too. But that's about all there is to see here. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else specific you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.